about when my wife was having a water birth here at the Women's Hospital in Liverpool, and she had a bleed immediately after the birth, and now during paternity leave afterwards there was suddenly, now what doesn't a good academic do on paternity leave? Well, spend a bit of time in the shed trying to work out A, why she was having the bleed, and B, what we could do to deal with it. And one of the problems that she had was that when she bled immediately after, you don't actually know where the blood's coming from, so you assume that it's because the womb isn't contracting well, so you give lots of drugs. But actually we don't know, because sometimes it comes from tears as well, sometimes it comes from clotting problems or from a bit of placenta left inside. So problem one was, how can we work out where the blood's coming from? Problem two, though, was what can we do to immediately turn off the tap? How can we stop the bleeding immediately? Because at the moment, as somebody bleeds, you continue to, you're giving medication, you're trying to help them, but all the time they're bleeding, whereas actually what you wanted to do was something which can turn off the tap. If you have a cut arm, then you put a swab onto it, you press it down, and that just stops the bleeding while you get time to think about what to do. You don't just leave it dripping with blood. So that's the other thing that we were trying to do. So we're trying to solve those two problems. So hurrah for paternity leave.